When searching for the right senior living community, most families rely on tours, websites, and online reviews. But there's one critical source of truth that often gets overlooked, and that's state inspection reports. In Arizona, these documents can give you valuable insight into the quality of care, the safety protocols, and regulatory compliance of senior living communities. If you're helping a loved one transition into senior living, understanding how to access and interpret these reports can help you make a more informed and confident decision. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel. I'm Rob King from Valley Senior Advisors. We help seniors find the best senior living options in the Phoenix area, and our services are 100% free. Before we get started, download the Essential Arizona Assisted Living Guide for free at valleysenior.advisors.com/assisted living guide, or click the link in the description. Also, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. With that out of the way, let's get on to the video. Senior living communities in Arizona must adhere to strict health and safety standards set by the Arizona Department of Health Services. Inspectors from the Arizona Department of Health Services routinely visit licensed communities to ensure compliance, and any violations or deficiencies are documented in public reports. Unlike marketing brochures or community tours, inspection reports give you an unfiltered look at how a community operates behind the scenes. They can reveal patterns of non-compliance, repeated deficiencies, or conversely, a strong track record of excellent care. Inspection reports can seem technical, but here's what you should focus on. When reviewing an inspection report, it's important to understand the type of inspection being conducted, because not all inspections are the same. There are two main types of inspections. The first is a compliance inspection. These are proactive, regularly scheduled evaluations conducted by the Arizona Department of Health Services. Communities are typically inspected annually or biannually, depending on their license type. The goal of these visits is to ensure that the community continues to meet state regulations and operates safely on a day-to-day basis. Inspectors evaluate staff-to-resident ratios, medication management practices, cleanliness and sanitation, staff training and background checks, and resident safety and well-being. A good performance on a routine inspection can suggest strong internal systems and consistent care. The second type of inspection is a complaint-based inspection. These are reactive inspections triggered by concerns raised by residents, family members, staff members, or members of the public. These inspections focus on specific issues brought to the state's attention, such as allegations of neglect, medication errors, abuse, or unsanitary conditions. What makes complaint inspections particularly revealing is that they show how the community responds when things go wrong. A prompt and effective response to an issue may demonstrate accountability and strong leadership. On the other hand, repeated complaints or serious deficiencies may signal deeper, ongoing problems with the community's culture, training, or management. One of the most important parts of any Arizona senior living inspection report is the Statement of Deficiencies section. These deficiencies point out specific instances where the community failed to comply with state regulations as determined by inspectors from the Arizona Department of Health Services. So what is a deficiency citation? A deficiency citation is issued when a community does not meet a regulatory standard required by Arizona law. Each citation will typically include the regulation that was violated, referencing the Arizona Administrative Code, a description of what happened, the severity and scope of the issue, and the corrective action required or taken by the community. Deficiencies can range from things that are relatively minor, such as paperwork errors or incomplete documentation, to major violations that involve resident safety, improper medication administration, or staff misconduct. The common types of deficiencies in senior living communities are health and safety violations, which would include improper infection control, unclean conditions, or failure to secure hazardous materials. Staffing issues, which would be inadequate staff numbers, unqualified caregivers, or failure to conduct background checks. Resident rights violations, or ignoring a resident's right to privacy, autonomy, or respectful treatment. Medication errors such as missed doses, incorrect dosage, or poor medication tracking. emergency preparedness or lack of evacuation plans, or failure to train staff on emergency procedures. When reviewing deficiency citations, it's important to look for frequency and pattern. Is this the first violation of this kind, or does the same issue appear in multiple inspections? Severity. Was the deficiency minor and administrative, or did it pose a serious risk to residents? And response. Did the community correct the problem promptly? And did the Arizona Department of Health Services accept the plan for correction? Communities with no deficiencies or only minor one-time issues may still be great candidates. However, repeated severe deficiencies, especially related to resident safety or care quality, should raise some red flags. The Arizona Department of Health Services is required by law to provide access to most public inspection data unless it includes protected health information. To access these reports, you'll use the Arizona Department of Health Services website at AZDHS.gov. You can search by community name, address, or license number to find a community's inspection report. If you have any questions about how to read inspection reports or help with navigating the website, give us a call and we'd be happy to help. If you got value from this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. You can hit the notification bell to be notified of when we post new videos. If we can help you or a loved one find senior living, please give us a call. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and we'll see you in the next video.